नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this practical session, we will learn about preparation of blood film. Preparation of thick blood film or blood film. The peripheral blood film is of two types. First is thin blood film and second is thick blood film. Thin blood film. Thin peripheral blood film can be prepared from anticoagulated blood obtained by venipuncture or from free-flowing finger prick blood by any of the following three techniques. First is slide method, which is most common. Second is cover glass method, which is rarely used, and third is spin method, which is an automatic method. First is slide method. Procedure for that is place a drop of blood in the center of a clean glass slide 1 to 2 centimeter from one end. Place another slide with smooth edge at the angle of 30 to 45 degree near the drop of blood. Move the spreader backward so that it make contact with drop of blood. Then move the spreader forward rapidly over the slide. A thin peripheral blood film is thus prepared. Dry it and stain it. This is the method showing the preparation of thin blood film. Qualities of a good blood film. First, it should not cover the entire surface of the slide. It should have smooth and even appearance. It should be free from waves and holes. It should not have irregular tail. Parts of a thin blood film. A peripheral blood film consists of three parts. First is head, that is the portion of blood film near the drop of blood. Second is body, that is the main part of the blood film. And third is the tail, that is the tapering end of the blood film. Spin method. This is an automated method. Procedure for that is place a drop of blood in the center of a glass slide. Spin at high speed in a special centrifuge cytospin. Blood then spread uniformly. Dry it and stain it. Now, next is thick blood film. This is prepared for detecting blood parasites such as malaria and microfilaria. Procedure is place a large drop of blood in the center of a clean glass slide. Spread it in a circular area of 1.5 centimeter with the help of a stick or end of another glass slide. Dry it and you should be able to just see the printed matter through this smear when kept on printed paper. Various stains for peripheral blood film. Romanowski stain are universally employed for staining of blood films. All Romanowski combinations have two essential ingredients, that is methylene blue and eosin. Methylene blue is the basic dye and has affinity for acidic component of the cell, and eosinic is the acidic dye and has affinity for basic component of the cell. Most Romanowski stains are prepared in methyl alcohol so that they combine fixation and staining. The common Romanowski stains are Leishman stain, Giemsa stain, Wright stain, Field stain, Jenner stain, and GSV stain. Staining of thin blood film. Dissolve 0.2 gram of powdered Leishman dye in 100 ml of acetone. free methyl alcohol in a conical flask. Warm it for 50 degrees for half an hour with occasional shaking. Cool it and filter it. Pour Leishman stand dropwise on the slide and wait for 2 minutes. This allows fixation of the peripheral blood film in methyl alcohol. Add double the quantity of buffered water dropwise over the slide. Mix by rocking for 8 minutes. Wash it Wash in water for 1 to 2 minutes and dry in air and examine under oil immersion lens of the microscope. Now gemcitabine. Stock solution of gemcitabine is prepared by mixing 0.15 gram of gemsa powder in 12.5 ml of glycerine and 12.5 ml of methyl alcohol. Before use, dissolve 1 volume of stock solution in 9 volume of buffered water, that is 1:9. Pour diluted stain over slide. Wait for 15 to 60 minutes. Wash in water. Dry it. Examine under oil immersion lens of the microscope. It can be stained with any of the Romanowski stain listed above, except that before staining, the smear is dehemoglobinized by putting it in distilled water for 10 minutes. Auto stainers. Currently, automatic staining machines are available which enable a large batch of slides to be stained with a uniform quality. Precaution in staining a peripheral blood film. Dark blue blood film, it can be due to overstaining, inadequate washing, or improper pH of the buffer. In this, RBCs are blue, nuclear chromatin is black, granules of the neutrophils are overstained, and granules of the eosinophils are blue or gray. Light pink blood film. In this, RBCs are bright red and the nuclear chromatin is pale blue and granules of the eosinophils are dark red. It can be due to understaining, prolonged washing, mounting the film before drying, and improper pH of the buffer. Precipitate on the blood film. This could be due to inadequate filtration of the stain, dust on the side, drying during staining, and inadequate washing. These are the examples. This is the thick smear and this is the thin smear. It has the head, this is the body, and this is the tail part. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.